Hi friends, in this video you will learn how to take screenshot on laptop. So let's begin the video, and if you haven't subscribed the channel, please subscribe the channel for more informative videos. So now start the video. For taking a screenshot, you will go to the search bar here, and here you will simply search for snipping tool. So, when the snipping tool has come, you will simply tap on it, open the application of snipping tool. Now what you need to do is, you will simply tap on a new, and here is the screen which you want to take screenshot. You will simply press the mouse button and you will select the area of your screenshot. You will take a screenshot of these like this. You will select the area. You will select this area and we will take it, and now the screenshot has been taken. At the top there is a file option. You will simply tap on file and you will save as from here. We will save it on desktop. Okay, so we have taken the screenshot on laptop, which I will open it. So this is the screenshot which we have taken. So this is the simple and easy process of taking a screenshot on laptop. So if you like the video, please subscribe the channel for more informative videos. Thank you.